Postgraduate studies are sometimes the best time to be a student, really. You kind of know who you are and you know what you want to do, and then you've got the time to do it. So it's a lovely combination that comes together, and it's a really special time, I think.
With an undergrad you actually have a very broad set of studies, and if you actually do a postgrad you actually concentrate more on a specific area, you sort of narrow down and you can actually focus on things more.
It gives you the opportunity to explore your own interests and views and ideas in greater detail than you can.
You come in still really a student, I think, and you leave at some level an expert.
I've always found postgraduate teaching to be very engaging, intellectually stimulating, and more often than not I've learnt a lot from the students themselves.
It's a moment of consolidation and expansion at the same time, in a way. You're consolidating who you are, you're consolidating how to study, you know how to synthesise ideas, you know how to work with them critically. And now it's time to, I guess, identify a place that you want to move forward into, and then you've got the resources to do that. You've got supervisors, you've got lecturers, you've got other postgraduates around you. So it's a very energising time, I think.
So I think one of the main aims for study or for postgrad study is to actually be more prepared for a specific job and to concentrate on things. So if I think about postgrad studies, then I'm looking at the marketplace, for instance, and companies are looking for specific skill sets, and I think with postgrad studies we're actually providing those, and so it's preparing people for the outside world.
When I did my PhD, the biggest thrill was finding out new data and results, and that thrill of seeing stuff for the first time no one else had ever seen.
What inspires me about postgraduate study is an opportunity to discuss in depth, well-informed, more advanced intellectual ways. The students will bring to their PhD research expertise and interests in areas that I haven't yet come across, and so they teach me, basically. They develop my ideas, they expand my horizon.
I've been working with postgrad students for probably 15 years now, and what inspires me about them is that they're the next generation that will actually bring us prosperity and whatever academically as well. So I think that's building an academic community, and I've actually seen that some of my postgrad students are now lecturers, and they're actually sort of the next step in the academic career for me as well, because I can actually say, look, that person was a postgrad with me, he's a lecturer now, and he's actually contributing to the world.